Hi guys, welcome to the class of biology. I'm Muhammad. Today we are going to talk about why we need plants. And the objective of the lesson is to describe the importance of plants to life on the earth. Okay, if you look at this picture, the plants that you can see in the picture are having great trunks. This is all their biomass that they have produced. But how can they do this? Look, plants take few important materials from their surrounding. Like plants take carbon dioxide through their leaves, and they can take water through their roots. They take these two materials to the upper parts of the body, like to the leaves, and they also take the sunlight, which is having a great amount of energy, and they perform a special process that is called photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, they store this light energy in a molecule. That molecule is called glucose. They store this energy in glucose. And also, sometimes this glucose is stored in the body of the plant, and the biomass of the plant increases. And they also produce oxygen in this specific process of photosynthesis, which is very important for breathing, of human life, for breathing of any animals on the earth. Okay, so that energy gets stored, the light energy that was stored in this glucose molecule. When we eat plants, we take that light energy into our body. Sometimes this glucose is stored in our body, and the biomass of our body increases. The biomass of every animal that eat plants will increase with the passage of time. Okay. In a similar way, that glucose that we have taken through our food from plants, that glucose is then break down into carbon dioxide and water again in the cells in the mitochondria of our cells. And that energy which was stored in glucose releases, and it makes us able to work. So as we say, energy is the ability of a body to do work. So plants can make energy for us. They produce energy for us, and they store it in the molecule of glucose. Okay, the next thing that we're going to talk about, let's talk about the leaves of the plant. The leaves of the plant are having some specific great structures, like stomata are the structures of the leaf that take carbon dioxide into the leaf. And another important thing is that leaves are having plate on surface which can absorb the great amount of light energy, and it can store this light energy in the molecules of glucose. And sometimes when glucose is produced in a great amount, the glucose is then stored in the form of starch, like glucose plus glucose is equal to starch. The molecules of glucose are combined together and starch is formed, and this starch is then gets stored in the storage tissue of a plant. And when we take this glucose, and this glucose is stored in our liver. Okay, the other thing that plants produce for us is oxygen, which is very important for life on the earth. If there will be no oxygen, we will not stay alive. So these are the important things that plants produce for us. So guys, plants are very important for us. This was all about the importance of plant on the earth. Till next time, bye guys.